Hey guys, and I'm back from going out with my friend. So we decided to go out after school because we finish school early every Friday. So usually we go out to eat or to study. So today we went out to eat and do some shopping. So I want to show you guys everything I got, but I also want to show you guys all of the birthday presents I have received. I don't have all of them because some of my friends are still getting them for me because some have been sick, some have been busy with exams, which obviously I understand. I will probably show you guys that when I do receive them later in this vlog, but I will show you guys the things I bought first. So of course I had to go to the cosmetics store and I bought some hair care products because recently I found out that I actually have low porosity hair. I can't pronounce it, sorry. But I've been using the Fina hair mask and the Anne Honey hair oil, which although I think actually has helped my hair a lot, I will say my hair has gotten softer and a lot more smoother. I am scared of my hair like getting too much protein after finding that out, so I decided I wanted to try some new hair products. So I got the kbbq hair mask because I heard this is really good if you have low porosity hair. And I also got this hair oil, which is this kbbq camellia oil, and I heard this is really good, so I'm really excited to try this out. I want my hair to honestly look like that. And the final thing I got is some like extra eyelash curler, like I don't know what this is called, but it's like cushion thing, because my other ones I just need to replace them at this point, so I got some extra ones. So that is everything I purchased. So I will show you guys the gifts I got. I'm honestly so happy and I'm so thankful for everything I received. So first, I was honestly not expecting this, but I got this like pink bouquet that my friend made me and I'm so happy. Actually had two of my friends make this. So it comes with this plushie. It has like crochet flowers. It has some pocky and it has carbonara bulldog, which I love. So obsessed with the like pink. I'm so happy. It's so pretty. And then she also got me some jewelry. So she got me this set of earrings, which I'm honestly so obsessed with. I love the bow ones, of course, and the butterfly ones. The butterfly ones are so cute. I really like the heart ones and the flowers, but I'm so thankful. And I did say I got another bouquet, so I can't show you guys it because I already disassembled it because it was a money bouquet my friend made me, and I wish I took a photo, but I unfortunately didn't because I was just honestly like I was just I don't know, I was just like in shock. I got that. I felt so like blessed because I did go out with some of my friends a little bit earlier than my actual birthday to just celebrate it, because I always tend to do that, and I do have some footage for that. So probably by the end of this clip we will travel back in time and I will show you guys those footage. And then speaking of hair products, so this is really random, but from one of my friends I got this hairspray and this heat protectant because one of my other friends has bought me a hair curler. Unfortunately they have been sick, so they haven't been able to come to school and give me the gift. So this doesn't really make sense because my friend bought this with my other friend and they like combine it, so it's the hair curler with the hair products, and I can't wait because I think it's something I've wanted to learn to do for a very long time, which is how to properly curl my hair. So I'm so excited. And then from another friend I got this aespa My World album. So I got Ning Ning, who is my bias from aespa, and I'm so obsessed with this. Like, oh my gosh, I am literally going to see aespa as well this year, which I cannot wait. But I'll just quickly show you guys this. I have already listened to the music, but get the little like advert. here's the CD. I love this album. This album was so good. I remember when it first came out, I was like so obsessed with it. The songs were amazing. Literally, they have like, this is an album that has like no bad songs. Unfortunately, this isn't like my favorite kind of album, in the sense where everything's kind of just like all in this, and there's no like proper area to hold the CD, which means I usually just keep it in the plastic, but I'm obviously still very, very grateful for this. It also comes with this, which is like the lyrics for all the songs, and it comes with these postcards, and the fact that they literally filmed this and took these photos in Australia, Sydney. Like, hello, like you can literally tell by the shop. Oh my gosh, she is so stunning. And it also comes with these stickers, just so cool. And of course, I got a photo card, and I got Winter. So I already unboxed this with my friends, but yes, I'm so obsessed. She's so pretty, and she is by Bias Wrecker, so yes. And then also from that friend, I received a JB Hi-Fi gift card, which I have used and purchased some other CDs, so you guys will see that in a future unboxing. And the next thing I got is these two packaged, like, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm like, I can't, bro. It's so cute. Like little flower as well. I don't want to like ruin the design of this. It's just so pretty. What are you supposed to do after that? Oh my gosh. So I got, oh, it's very reflective, but I got the Olivia Rodrigo Guts album. Yes, I'm so obsessed. I love Olivia Rodrigo. I've loved her songs since her debut. Sour, I remember when it first came out, I was like, oh my god, it was such a different time in my life. So I feel like, in a sense, it's like, wow, it brings back a lot of memories from that time. I was obsessed with the album, and I love this album so much. So here. Oh my gosh, I love the CD. And then we have the lyric booklet. Oh my gosh. And she actually is coming to Australia. I do have tickets for her, but I'm honestly not sure if I will go per se, just because it is during the middle of HSC, the biggest exam of my high school life. So we will honestly see. I really hope she comes out with a deluxe version of this CD with all her other songs, because I would love Obsessed on CD. That is like one of my all-time favorite songs. So that is Guts. And then the next one, oh my god. So I got Speak Now, Taylor version. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm so happy. So after this, the only albums from her I will be missing is Taylor Swift, her debut, Red, and Fearless. So I will get those eventually. I will say they are probably my least three albums from her, so that's why I have not gotten them. I'll probably get Red next if I had to pick them, because I love them too well so much. But yes, Speak Now. Oh my gosh. Of course, Taylor's version. But yes, this is like, I remember when this album came out, because For a while, I didn't really listen to Taylor, but I was there for when this album, the Taylor's version, dropped, and oh, it was so good. It was so good. Oh my gosh. And it has 2 CDs. Oh, I cannot wait to listen to them. And the CDs are so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. That's so good. This art. I'm actually so obsessed. And the lyric booklet. Oh my gosh. So happy. I actually can't wait to listen to this. And the 2-disc thing is so cool. This is the first CD I have had that has 2 discs. Yeah, technically that actually has song, because of course I have Speak Now from the live version, which comes with the CD and the DVD. Yes, I'm so happy with these. And the final thing I have gotten, and this is something I'm so grateful for, and this was from my parents, and that is the iPhone 15, the pink, which I'm actually filming with, because I think you guys can tell the quality has gotten so much better, and I can't wait to film vlogs and stuff on this phone. And I'm so happy that Apple released such a pretty pink phone, and I'm honestly I'm so happy, and I'm so grateful for this, like incredibly grateful. So that is everything I received from my birthday. I am obviously not doing this to brag, I'm just so grateful for the friends and the family I have. So now I will show you guys all the footage I took when I went out with my friends last week on Saturday to celebrate my birthday.
Huh? Look like it's not meant to be like a gap year. Devoured. Oh. Bye, cake.
You make sure kids stay. Good night. See you in your dream.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be ending the vlog with another quick haul because I just received my final present because I was waiting for this one from my friend just because she's been sick obviously, so she hasn't been able to come to school, but obviously I wanted to do a full haul of everything I got for my birthday for this vlog just because it'll be my last birthday in high school. So I wanted this more just for me to see. So let me show you guys what I got. It came in this really cute bag and I wish like I didn't low-key destroy it, but it was like a bow tie and it was so cute. So I got this Remington hair curler and I'm so excited. Like, I cannot wait to finally try learning how to curl my hair. It's something I've been wanting to do for such a long time. So I'm so excited, and my friend made sure to get one that's like a pink color, so I'm so happy. And then some extra things my friend got me. She got me some pens because I like run out of pens so quickly. So I got like these blue pens and these colored ones. I'm so like this, I'm so happy for because I run out so quickly and I don't know where they go. I either lose my blue pens or they just like they disappear or they run out of ink because I write like so much because I have such like heavy like writing subjects. So I'm so excited for this. I also got a nerd rope, but I just like ate it because I was hungry. And then I got this other like cute gift where inside is this like cat. Kind of reminds me of like a Sumiko Garashi, and it's like a little crochet. This is so cute. I cannot wait to put this on my desk. I'm so obsessed, or like my bookshelf. And then I'm not gonna show the card obviously, but I had this like, it's so cute, like it's so decorated, oh my gosh, and it's like everything is pink and I just love it. Like it has bows, it has strawberries, it has hearts, they're all pink. My favorite. So that is the final thing I got, and I'm so grateful for what I received. Before I end this vlog, I do have one package I want to open with you guys, and it is an album I have pre-ordered, so I'm so excited. So let's open this up. We love it being protected. So some things fell. So here is the store I bought it. If you're in Australia, I highly recommend them. Their prices are honestly so reasonable for albums. And this might be a hint, but this is not an official just photo card. It's just like a paper one, but it's so cute. And I also got this sticker. So I got I got the Kiss of Life album because it is personally hand signed by all the members. Honestly, Kiss of Life right now is like my favorite 5th gen group. I don't think anything has beat them. And it even comes with this Julie photo card, who is my bias. So this is my first ever like signed album. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, everything's coming out. I'm so obsessed. I'll take this photo card out. So this is like an M-Wave pre-order benefit card. And I asked for Julie, of course, because she is my bias. And it's like protected in a sleeve and everything. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love the sleeve as well. I'm not super into like collecting photo cards, but this is so cool. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. They touched this album. But okay, let me actually find photos of them. Oh my gosh. I love the songs. Like Midas Touch and Nobody are like, oh yes, it's perfect. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, stunning. Sorry, I can't exactly like show the whole album, but we do have the extra, and here's the CD at the back. I love the way it's packaged. It's so nice. And it has like little activities, which is so cool. So I will probably look at this later. Oh my gosh, I can't get over that it's actually signed. Okay, so let's see what's in here. So it comes with some stickers. This postcard, I think it's like a scratch postcard, I'm not sure. Okay, let's see who I get. So I get 2 photo cards. I think one is a group photo card and one is a solo. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got Natty, and then oh my gosh, I got Belle, and I'm so sorry, I cannot pronounce her name. Hanyu? I'm so sorry. Oh, that's so cute. That's like perfect, because that means I got the whole group. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. So that is everything it comes with. I'm just like so happy with this. But that will be the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching this birthday vlog. Sorry I had to like drag it out a bit, but I really hope you guys enjoyed anyway, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!